Alright, if you guys remember in the last video, we had some tuning issues. So let's get to that. But yeah, so this is going to be going on the LS to fix the throttle body issue. What I put on there is a little bit too ambitious for that stock ECU. So, you know, give some, take some, win some, lose some. It is what it is. But yeah, this is a cool little small win for me. It is what it is. I like it. I like the fact that I'm going to be able to print this. Hell yeah. But anyway, that's the H2D. The new setup and some filament to go with it. This is a TPU. Whoop, throw my finger in there. This is TPU filament. So it's like a rubber. It'll be like a rubber gasket. So this is going to be awesome. It's 35% done. It'll be done in 20 minutes. Yeah. So all right. Take this guy. Moment of truth. Here's a throttle body. It's the one that needs it. Let's see here. Dang, dude. That's gonna work great. Look at that. Oh, you. So let's see here. That's the adapter plate to go on the intake. This guy will go on here like so. Here's Anthony. Anthony, do you like the new printer?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it? You're into it? It's your favorite printer? Yeah, buddy. Alright, so this is the throttle body we're going to be installing on the truck. This is the adapter plate, and this is the new 3D printed part. So we're going to put this on here and just verify everything lines up. And I mean, like, we just checked on the throttle body, and like you just saw, it looked great. So let's not get that in the way. That doesn't help. Awesome. I like all the alignment work. Just went to hell. Don't judge, guys. I'm doing this with one hand and a second pair of eyes just watching over here, but not helping. Oh, you don't know how? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Alright, so I guess I had it right the first time. This goes on here like that. Okay, see how it lines up? The holes right here, holes over here, holes over here, and then most importantly, this big guy here. What you don't want to do is try to put it on there like this. The holes will line up right here, but this won't work correctly. So what we want to do is this guy here. Okay? Get it? Yeah, buddy. All right. And then after that, this guy, you see this slot here? You want this to align on here, right? So you're not going to put it on upside down like that. Whoops, that'd be a mistake, right? You want it to be upside down so that air can get through that passage where it needs to go. Understand? All right. Everything lines up pretty well. No concerns here. Oh my God, did you just fart? Just kidding. Oh my gosh. All right. But cool. So now it's just a matter of just swapping into the truck. Guys, a little comparison here. Okay, so that's the stock one. This is what I had on there. Yeah, big fucking difference. do 2 cycles. That was it. All right, so did you guys hear that? Did you hear that successful fire? That feels good. All right, so next, it's time to cut out the Flintstone holes and make that a little bit better. So you see I marked it out. Whoa, don't mind that. I marked it out already where I want to cut. And I got my panel. Those are all the spots I see to be the most corroded and so forth. So yeah, next comes some surgery. Let's get it. So she's all cut out. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, get it prepped up for the new piece. Yeah, I overshot it a little bit here, and in this back corner over here, just byproducts of driveway work. Sorry. We'll stitch it up with the welder. No big deal. Better than new. Anyway, yeah, so this is coming out good. Went ahead and got the old piece onto the new one and got it all traced out, so to speak. So this was on here like so, one like that, and trace it out with the marker where I need it on the new panel. And yeah, next is just cutting it out, welding it in, and yeah, just making it all just look right and making it be right. Anyway, that's the key one. All right. So I got my pan or thing all traced out, cut out. I marked the holes that I need to drill for the spot welds to the cross members here. With that said, it's getting close. All right, for the most part, got this thing all buttoned up. Not too bad, not too bad. Got a small hole I gotta fix over here. Honestly, the material is just so rotten, you have to go extremely low voltage. Same with over here. There's a little bit more rot than I thought there was, so welding in this area is kind of a pain in the ass. It's kind of ugly right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up with the grinder and revisit anything I need to as we go. Anyway, it's coming along just fine. All right, guys, I ain't mad at that. Got it all basically buttoned up. I do have to make a small little piece for right here just to weld and seal this in right here. And then I will be doing some body sealer through the side of this. Yeah, it's just a couple spot welds that I've already done on the bottom, but I still want to get that sealed up. But anyway, it's looking good, man. I ain't mad at that shit, not one bit. I mean, you combine that with the fact that this motherfucker running great, then yeah, someone's gonna be a happy guy. Somebody. I don't know if it's me. We'll see. All right, so it's time to get this thing cleaned up and get some clear coat on it. So let's make this thing look a little bit better and see what we can do with it. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so it's all washed and dried. Basically, the next step now is degreasing it and doing the oil remover, and it'll remove any remaining oils that might be still stuck on the surface or waxes or anything like that. But yeah, so that's going to be next. Gotta go get me some rags for that. Okay, got this thing all degreased. Whole thing wiped down top to bottom, roof, everything. Guys, it didn't record. That's the second time in this video something didn't record. Ugh. Whatever. Anyway, check it out. Now you can see some lines in the hood a little bit. That's fine. It just needs a second coat on the hood. And the roof is similar, but just a little bit better. Anyway, but damn. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty damn good. The Patina came out way better this time. Took my time, did it right. Don't think I did it right the first time on the Mustang, but yeah. See if you can see that. No, it's kind of hard to see it like that. Anyway, you see those reflections in it. Looking good pretty much all the way down. And yeah, no, honestly guys, I ain't mad at that at all. That looks pretty damn good. For what I'm going for, that looks real good. Let's peel these things real quick. Hold up. Okay. Okay. Shoot. Hey. That looks pretty damn good, y'all. Pretty damn good. Okay, here's some daytime post first coat. And you can obviously see the streaks all over the hood. So that'll be the next, is recoating the hood. But man, the rest of it looks real good. Real good. I like it. Shines real good all around. All of it has really good shimmer. Roof needs another coat, but it's not as bad as the hood. The hood seems to be the worst one. But overall, man, I am happy. I'm a happy dude. Heck yes. Alright, so round two, gonna go ahead and mix up some more clear here. Rocking the Patina here. Yeah, I bought this on my own. Not sponsored in any way. This is actually the second time using this stuff. The first time I went with the Mustang, I didn't show you guys. It went bad. But anyway, definitely my issue or my fault after doing it this time around. So, doing an 8-to-1 mix. We're going to go ahead and fill it up to the second line here. About there. Alright, to the first line on the 2. You guys see that? Alright. Second one. Here's the catalyst. And this one is going to go to the second, number 2. Oop, almost screwed that up. I need the 8-to-1 here. Alright, still on the number 2 though. And Alright, so this is what it came out with. Evened up pretty damn well. Can barely see the lines anymore. Looks awfully glassy. Looks really good. I like that. Looks better than any of my primer jobs I ever did on the Mustang, I can tell you that. And the roof, we did that. That came out pretty good too. Some minor stuff up there, not a big deal. Anyway, hell yeah.